Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a an Airbnb listing. So first you choose the place you want to share with your friends or family. So for example, I want to share my weekly place plan. So now I can just tap on the place, and then on top there, tap there, and then now you can share this place with friends and family. And you can also you can just copy the link if the app that you want to share with isn't there, and just paste it, or tap more, and then you see this the people you've talked recently to, and you can just tap there, and it's gonna be easier. Then once you're done, you just tap send on the top corner, and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.